Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Daud, and today I'll show you the website on how you can donate to Oxygen. So if you go on if you go on here and you remove this and you paste this link in here, because I've already got the link, press the paste button. I'll press it here, and here you go. There is the link. You can type this link up onto the website. Press enter. And there you go, there it is. So that's where Ride London is. And Oxygen, our youth charities down here. Oxygen is a well-established youth charity working in Kingston upon Thames that by local young people. So, and here's Oxygen. If you go down, this is what Oxygen is about. Continue reading. So this is what we do as a charity. We were launched back in 2001. And here you go. And this is where you go to donate. So if you want to donate to us, guys, and we highly recommend you do, press donate here, and you go onto here. So you're donating to Oxygen. How often would you like to give? One-off, monthly, quarterly, or yearly? And you can now choose how much. So 50, 25, 10, or enthusiasm, how much is you want? It could be 100, 200. We'll happily accept this. And here are two boxes at the bottom. Hide my donations from public view, so the public can't see how much you donated. Or I'd like to remain anonymous, so nobody will know. So even from Oxygen, nobody will know. So you're donating to Oxygen here. So go onto this website here, guys, to donate to us. I hope you like our video, and peace out. I'll see you again next time.